welcome back to another vlog with the one and only CrazeeTash number 2. Firstly, let's address the elephant in the room. The last time I actually did a video was from Vlogmas, right? So I don't know where that come from, I know I'm really gone, but your girl was so we'll get into that. But happy new year, happy Martin Luther King, happy President's Day, happy Ash Wednesday, yeah, happy March. So we're in March. But yeah guys, I had high hopes for 2026, but the year started off rough. The year started off so rough, not gonna lie to you. Your girl has been, what do you call it, I've been in a seasonal depression. It's winter. I've never realized I actually have seasonal depression. So your girl has actually been depressed. The weather outside has just been cloudy. We've had like snowstorms. It's just not attractive. The snow is all cute and stuff, but it hasn't been attractive in terms of my mood. So my mood has been all over the place. I've been down. Our girl has been going through a lot of personal stuff as well, you know, and been going through the stuff like some of my family members are ill as well. And this vlogging makes me happy, so I want to get back into it. So I'm trying to get back into what makes me happy, because I've been neglecting myself. I've been focusing on, you know, trying to people please everybody so much. What I wanted to say too, with one of the things I've been going through, guys, people I've been going through, especially when it comes to people, like people don't feel for let me down. I'm not gonna tell no lie. Due to fact says 2 snowstorm happen and nobody, not even one of my friends, them text me and say, hope you guys are okay. You guys alright? You're not alright for the snow? Nobody. And the least person I expect for ask me, and them ask me. So, you know, got me in my head thinking, and I'm like, wow. And a hurricane passed, and look at me that. But anyways, you live and you learn. But so now we'll on to no bad energy. Bygones be bygones. So first we're gonna do is get into our workout. We're gonna do some Pilates. It's a struggle, but we're gonna get into it. So guys, the outfit is the most aesthetically appealing outfit, but it will get the job done. I'm making sure I'm putting on my, they call it Pilates socks, but not really. Get them from the doctor's office. But it has the grip on it. So when I'm doing the stuff, it's there. Alright? So we have match pink with pink. Right? Yeah. But right now it's what? After 4. So I'm gonna do my morning skincare after my finish workout. But based on where I work, a lot of illnesses and not illnesses, but a lot of people are cough, sneeze, chat a lot. So to prevent from elements and my face breaking out, and plus traveling on the train or the bus where worse dirty, gotta get this. So this is a hydrochloric acid, supposed to help with, you know, keeping away all types of bacteria. So it's supposed to keep away bacteria and protect the skin. So I'm gonna spray some of this before my workout so I can get that off my face. Energy drink and my creatine in here.
You have made it 1 and then thread it underneath off the mat. And beautiful. 1 5 over the hands, lower down. Arms to the mat. Just working through our side to side in leg switch on here. 2. Beautiful work. 4, 3. Just weights down onto the floor. You can sit down into that low kneel position. The other side. Exhale, let the palms meet. Draw them down through heart center. Give yourself so much love, recognition, and appreciation. Thank you for being here.
Workout took me out. It was just upper body, but my arms, and I tell them my hands were shaking. Yeah, I do some, because I have to bring food for work tomorrow. So before I finalize myself for bed, let's get into it. this humidifier for the bedroom because the other one that we had, it broke. We need it because the weather, it's still cold and the heat is still on, and you know, regardless of better air quality, you already have the purifier, so wanted another humidifier so that we could, you know, sleep a bit better. So let's unbox it together and see how it looks. Alright, so I think all we have to do now is plug it in. Good morning, guys. So it's my day off. Your girl is off from work today. I actually did my whole morning routine already. I had my, what do you call it, I had my tea, not my tea, actually I didn't tea yet, actually. No, but I had my lemon water, my warm lemon water with some salt for electrolytes, and I had some beef bone broth. I've included that into my diet because I've been watching this other girl on TikTok, and she's been, not TikTok, YouTube, and she's been inspiring me to actually just be healthier and try to, you know, be a little bit better in terms of how I carry myself and how things that I put into my body. So she had said that the bone broth is good with high in protein and it helps with the collagen for your hair, skin, and nails. And so we got that, and we've been having it all week. Yeah, mom and I, we've been drinking the lemon water and the bone broth. And then I'm gonna work out, so I had my pre-workout, which was just oatmeal. So actually gonna get my face, I want to spray my face because I haven't done my morning skincare routine, because I'm gonna do that after I work out, because it makes no sense I'm gonna put on all of that skincare for all like just sweat off, right? So don't mind the crustiness if you're seeing it on my face. And my skin is breaking out. My skin is breaking out because I haven't been consistent with my skincare this week, and then my monthly was on me this week as well. It's about to be finished as well, but yeah, the face started breaking out, so I'm gonna probably put on a pimple patch and thing. But yeah, so I'm gonna spray my hydrochloric acid on my face just to give that, you know, refreshment, and then do my skincare. So let's go put on my workout set and let's get ready for this workout. It's Pilates, so, and I think we're on day 6 today. So if you didn't know, well, now you know. Your girl loves Blue. I love the Blue energy drink because it doesn't give me that fidgety feeling, as well as the pre-workouts, like the powder ones. Those, I don't know, it makes me feel like I want to throw up and stuff like that, so I stopped drinking those. So I found one, it's called Oxy Shred, but then this was before I was introduced to Blue. But I'm out of Blue, so I have the Oxy Shred still, so I'm going to use my Oxy Shred and add my creatine powder to it. The Oxy Shred, and this is the passion fruit flavor. Belly is going down, so I feel a little bit more confident to wear back these types of stuff. For today, I'm wearing an all black, and the black is looking, it's coming together, right? It's just, my main problem is the love handles. I want to get rid of this and kind of get my lower belly a little bit flatter. Well, I just the whole belly circuit, because up here so look a little bit high too. But yeah. Guys, I'm on the phone with mommy. Say hi. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Here, don't mind it. Do not mind it. before we close off the vlog, I'm trying to see what to talk to you guys about, because I'm trying because you guys actually are watching and you guys literally know nothing about me. I'm not sharing too much, but you know, we need to talk a little bit more, so I'm trying to include that more in the vlog. If you're not subscribed yet,
Be for real.
like,
Be for real.
why are we not subscribed as yet? Like, subscribe, hit the subscribe button. And guys, can we please, we need somebody to talk to. Like, I need you guys to be my besties. Like, you guys need to comment so I got somebody to talk to. Since 2026 started, and I was like, oh, 2026 is gonna be my year. But now, because a girl's been crying. Low-key, seems like a girl is depressed. Actually, when I, like, some earlier vlogs when I was going to the clinic, they said I had a little slight, like, mild depression, and your girl was diagnosed as pre-diabetic. So a lot's been going on. A lot's been going on. It's not funny, but yeah. But diabetes travels in my family, so it's hereditary for me regardless of anything. So yeah. But guys, I don't know, to be honest, I've been feeling it. You know, I've been dreading turning 30. So the fact that, you know, it's kind of scaring me. And to be honest, earlier in the years coming up to me, it was more worse based on the fact that I feel like I haven't really done anything with my life. Not per se that, you know, I have achievements and stuff, you know, and I'm working something, I'm working and all of those things, but I just feel like certain things that I hope to had achieved or, you know, generate by this age was not, I didn't see it happening and still don't see it happening. But to be honest, I feel like I'm being more accepting. I'm being accepting of life and waiting on God, just being more patient in life, because it doesn't make no sense. I'm chasing down certain things and I don't even know if God has it in plans for me. I would really like, really love for it to be in plans for me, but just getting up every day and being depressed and being in my head and, you know, making my body deteriorate based on my thoughts is not healthy. So, you know, just live in the know, and just be patient on God. If it's to happen, it's supposed to happen. It's not supposed to happen, it's supposed to happen. I'm telling you guys this, I've not reached there so mentally, but I'm trying. And on the other hand, I've been, you know, embracing the fact of being alone based on the fact that I've just been disappointed so many times by people, and then it's like when I express how they make me feel, it's always a defensive matter. It's like my feelings don't work, because it's like me just get up and just angry or vex with people for no reason, right? It's not like I said them not do me nothing. So it's like based on the fact that after so many times of certain things been happening, at some point I feel like I just gave up. In terms of defending myself, trying to cater to people, because people, it's how they say, the heart is a big heart. It's a big heart. And just to see that people are there for me in terms when I need to talk or vent. They're there because people want to know your business or people want to listen and stuff. But like actually catering for me or catering to me, I don't feel I feel like as we get older, things just change when it comes to either relationships or friendships or whatever it wanna be. So your girl has just had the tendency to just be alone. And guys, when I tell you, I used to be so scared of being alone. I always want to have somebody upon the phone because my friends, my close friends are in Jamaica. My boyfriend is in Jamaica. So the fact that I always want to have somebody upon the phone. I don't want to be alone. But guys, based on the fact that, you know, as I'm getting old and just realizing certain things, I've been forced to embrace being alone and, you know, just enjoy my own company. I've been on social media a lot, and that's not good, because being on social media is like the phone I listen so it knows what you go through. So social media is also putting me in another form of depression, so I have to kind of reduce my screen time also. But I've taken up coloring. I'm trying to include my journaling more often. It's not that type of person that express my feelings in writing because my mind is racing so fast. So to actually put those in words was just like a lot. But I've been trying, and I've been watching more motivational content, to be honest, to, you know, trying to uplift, you know. So I'm trying to create a routine for myself, trying to be more healthier, trying to work out. Every day I promise myself that, but you know, I've just been trying to be a little bit better and eat step day by day, because as your girl is approaching 30, you gotta make sure that the skin is tea, the body is tea, you understand? Yeah. So, and I've not been, for the persons in my life right now that have been kind, I've been, you know, learning to embrace them more cautiously, because I don't want to be hurt but cautiously. And yeah, it's just, in certain aspects, it's just nice to see a difference of people. Like, I've met people that actually are on the same wavelength that I've been on, or things that I wished for, they're actually doing. And it's just like, I'm in shock to see, like, actually this was possible. Like, look how I was complaining about this before from other people, like it wasn't possible or I was the problem, and to actually see people doing it towards me or for me nowadays, it's just like, wow. And not to say people are perfect, they still piss me off, but I've been a lot more able to accept that people are human and people are gonna upset me and me are gonna upset people, right? Because nobody's perfect. But you know, it's the fact of how people will listen. Yeah, that's just my 2 cents. A girl's been talking for almost 7 minutes. Wow, that was a lot. But as I said, I'm gonna do this more. If you guys wanna stay for it, it's fine. And if you don't want to, it's fine. But I wanna share a little bit more and stuff. And yeah, guys, just embrace loving yourself. Embrace loving yourself, because who to love you more than yourself, right? So, you know, alone is being crazy, but just find other activities to do, whether it be taking a walk, you take up running, you know, you want to do more arts and crafts, you want to take up reading, you know, just do something that can distract yourself from pouring yourself too much into people. And for those who have that, you know, great people around you, God bless, God bless. But if you don't, you know, just find other things to occupy yourself, and you get to know yourself much better through that. You know, read the Bible more, pray more. But yeah, enough rambling. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, one and only CrazeeTash. Love, bye.